Have you ever wanted to turn your photo into a fun sticker you can use in chat? On the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can actually generate AI sticker from your photos using the S Pen and Creative Studio. Let me show you how it works. First, remove the S Pen from your phone to open the Air command menu. Then tap Creative Studio. Under the Design Studio section, tap Create Sticker button. Now, tap the Add Image icon above the prompt field and select the photo you want to use. For this example, we will use a photo of a person. Next, if you want to change the style, tap the Style icon above the field. Here, you will see several styles you can choose from. As the example, let's use anime style. Once you are ready, tap Generate. Your phone will process the image and create a new AI-generated sticker based on your photo and the selected style. When the generation is finished, tap the download icon at the top right. Then select Save as Sticker. Now choose a sticker style. For this example, select Cutout so the character is cleanly separate from the background. Finally, tap Done. Your sticker will now be saved automatically to Galaxy AI Stickers. To find it, open your keyboard in any app. Tap the emoji icon. And then tap the Galaxy AI sticker icon. And you will see the sticker you just created. This is a fun way to turn your photos into creative sticker using Galaxy AI on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.